So here we are, position sizing. It basically says how much quantity or how many shares a lot you can take in order to protect your capital. And what is the formula to protect your capital? It should not be more than 1% of your total trading capital. That means you on any given trade, you should not lose more than 1% of your total trading capital. Yeah. Let's say you have you have 1 lakh rupee capital. Yeah. 1 lakh capital. So the rule says you should not lose more than 1000 rupees, which is 1% of 1 lakh in any given trade. Now, how to take out position sizing, how many lots you can trade in. Let's take an example. You are looking at ITC share, which is trading at 230 rupees. And your capital, which I have already discussed with you, is 1 lakh rupees. So according to 1% rule, you cannot lose more than 1000 rupees in any given trade at a time. So you have to identify where you want to put your stop loss. As per your calculation and your chart analysis, you have seen that you have to put a stop loss after 5 points. So which is 2 to 5. Now you have to do a very simple calculation. You have to start with a loss. I have already told you, we will discuss more about this in trading psychology, but you start your trading process with a loss. How much loss you can take in a trade. Now, as you have already calculated, you cannot take more than 1000 rupees loss. So 1000 divided by your points, stop loss points. You have already calculated this. 5 points. 5 points came from 230 minus 2 to 5. 5 points. You divide this, it comes out to be 200. Yeah. So 200 is a quantity you can take. This is called position sizing.